Welcome back to an introduction to basic concepts of maintenance and reliability with focus on maintenance work management. Let us get an overview of the contents that we will cover in this course. We will begin with the very first stage of the maintenance workflow, that is, work identification and approval. It will cover how maintenance work request is initiated, followed by its categorization, approval, and prioritization. We will cover the concepts, tools, techniques, and metrics involved with each of these steps within work identification and approval. We will then move on to the next stage of maintenance workflow, that is maintenance planning. We will discuss how job plan is created by the maintenance planning section progressively until it becomes ready work. We will discuss how maintenance planning section is also responsible for something known as parts kitting and staging. We will discuss the 6 important principles of maintenance planning that will define the best practices in maintenance planning. We will then move on to the next stage of maintenance workflow, that is maintenance scheduling. We will discuss the 6 principles of maintenance scheduling, which will include important scheduling concepts, tools, techniques, and metrics. We will discuss preventive maintenance and predictive maintenance schedule compliance, a very important concept and metric in maintenance scheduling. We will also separately look at shutdown, turnaround, and outage planning tools and techniques. Next, we will move on to the next stage of maintenance workflow, that is maintenance execution. We will discuss the importance of craft feedback in the work order system. We will discuss how maintenance craft workers' skills assessment is carried out. We will look at the safety aspects in maintenance execution, and we will give a special attention to the important role and responsibility of maintenance supervisor beyond the traditional understanding. We will discuss 2 very important concepts and metrics of maintenance execution, that is yield and effectiveness of preventive and predictive maintenance. This will complete all stages of the maintenance workflow. However, we will additionally discuss concepts and metrics of material and resource management in the context of maintenance. It will include important metrics of human resource management and important concepts of inventory management. We will finally conclude our course by looking at how the overall work management process needs to go through continuous improvement for it to become more and more effective over time. This completes our course contents covering all areas of maintenance work management.